येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः. In previous class, we were looking at whenever there is a sanyukta akshara in one word, then if in that sanyukta letter, if we find the mahaprana, what are the mahapranas? The second letter of each group, like kha, cha, tha, tha, ha, as well as the fourth letter of each group, like gha, jha, dha, dha, and bha. These are mahaprana letters. So whenever you find sanyuktakshara, if the sanyuktakshara first letter, if you see the in the sanyuktakshara in the conjunct consonant, if you see the hard in the sense the mahaprana letter, that time you while pronouncing that letter you have to take the help of alpa prana letter. We had seen various examples regarding this. Let me share it again.
Like Ushma Varnas are Mahaprana too, right?
Yes, sha, 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 and sa, they are also called mahaprana. So these are the examples. But even we are saying mahapranas, the kha, cha, tha, tha, but we have to exclude the cha group. Regarding the cha group, there is a little bit, the adesha, tuk, agam, etc. happens, then there would be little change. We will see that also. So regarding gha, jha, dha, dha, bha, they will, while pronouncing those letters, we have to take the help of previous one. Now, second letter जब pronounce करने ख छ ठ थ फ या ख ठ थ फ, while pronouncing ख we have to take the help of k letter. While pronouncing th letter we have to take the help of t letter. While pronouncing th we have to take the help of t letter, and while pronouncing f letter we have to take the help of p letter. So k along with k, th along with t, th along with t, and pha along with pa. This is regarding second and first. So second letter of each group is mahaprana. While pronouncing this mahaprana, we have to take the help of first letter of each group. Similarly, mahapranas, even fourth letter, you will find mahapranas like dha, jha, dha, dha, bha. While pronouncing dha, jha, dha, dha, bha, we have to take the help of respectively of ga, ja, da, da, ba. In the sense, while pronouncing gha letter, we have to take the help of ga. Similarly, ja with ja, dha with da, and dha with the, and bha with ba. For example, saksham, here we find kha letter. There is a conjunct consonant. Sanyukta akshara. Kha is there, a is there, and then there is a. So basically, kha, while pronouncing this kha, we have to take the help of ka letter. And it, what is the pramana for that? Not Pāṇinīya Shikṣa directly, but Rigveda Pratishakyam, it is discussed in Rigveda Pratishakyam. Similarly, another example regarding tha letter. While pronouncing tha, we have to take the help of even ta letter. So Shathyam, automatically it comes Shathyam, ta comes there. It's very small. Shathyam. Similarly, tha letter regarding tha, example is given Pathyam. The word pathyam, while pronouncing, we automatically pronounce the letter also. Pathyam, pathyam, it comes like this. Even though it looks like this, pathyam, but pathyam. Similarly, gha letter, let's take this one. Fal का हमें यहाँ रखा नहीं है, यदि मिलता है तो we will also include that. Whenever you find sanyukta, you will get that. Okay. Third letter, so like here, gha letter. Gha and ra, there is a sanyukta, there is a sanyuga conjunct. So while pronouncing gha, we have to take the help of ga letter. Similarly, dha letter, we will take the help of da letter. So adhyah, right? So while pronouncing dh letter, we have to take the help of the ad. Similarly, another example of bh is given. While pronouncing bh letter, we have to take the help of b letter. So sabhyah, sabhyah. Right? This topic we had seen. And regarding even sh,
Uh,
sha, these are maha.
um,
Yes, please.
I just wanted to know. I mean, this is for a side thing.
Hmm.
What does shortyam mean? Shortyam.
Shatyam means that, shatha is a rogue.
Oh,
And rogue in the sense not Sanskrit wala rogue, that person, rogue, R-O-U-G-E, right? Rogue,
ROGUE, I think. Yeah.
G-U-E. His swabhava is called Shatyam.
Okay.
Hmm.
Excuse me.
Hmm.
In a Gita Parivar,
Hmm.
whenever is you say Sanyukta Akshar come after any Varna, then Aghat will go on the like a Sakhyam.
Hmm.
Then स के ऊपर आघात चिन्ह लगेगा.
इसके ऊपर
स के ऊपर आघात का चिन्ह लगाते हैं लोग.
आघात में
Like okay, if you pronounce Sakhyam, then स के ऊपर भार देके सब स के साथ भ को जोड़ देना, ऐसा सिखाते हैं.
स के साथ
भ को जोड़ देना, सब सब
क को जोड़ देना है ऐसा.
नहीं, हाँ, क को जोड़ देना. स ख को, ख नॉट क, सख. या
No, no, no. If they are pronouncing Sakhyam word, sa is a Mahaprana. If it is Mahaprana,
यस यस
obviously we have to pronounce is Mahaprana. Double pran you will use. अल्प प्राण के लिए कम प्राण लगता है while pronouncing that. And while pronouncing Mahaprana, though these are Mahapranas, what are the second letter of each group, fourth letter of each group, as well as sa. Regarding Sakya Shabda, if you are taking the example of these, so sa is a Mahaprana. So it will be pronounced as Mahaprana only. Ka will be added to previous, and Kha is Mahaprana, so their Ucharanam also should be Mahaprana only. Sakhyam, Sakhyam. That is the correct pronunciation. Huh? Any another example? If you remember later, you can let me know. Like a Pathyam Shabda. Here you cannot say Pat. You cannot like force, and you cannot use double prana, Mahaprana here, because Pat is a Alpa prana. Pathyam, right? You get the example, whatever they are teaching, or you are going through shlokas. Particularly if they are mentioning some, then we can think about those words. There might be some logic, there might be something behind that, isn't it? The pronunciation of shlokas, there are many, Shiksha Granthas. It depends actually where the mantra ucharana changes शाखा वाइज. तो यदि वो कुछ अलग कुछ फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो उसके पीछे कुछ ना कुछ होगा. यदि उनको पता है तो वो बताएंगे. नहीं तो हम पाणिनि शिक्षा के अनुसार यदि प्रोनाउंस करेंगे तो स इज अ महाप्राण, क विल बी अल्प प्राण, सक देन वी विल प्रोनाउंस ख एज महाप्राण. सक क्षम, क्ष के ऊपर ऑब्वियस है हम महाप्राण के लिए वहां ज्यादा जोर देंगे. सिमिलरली शाठ्यम ऑल्सो इज अ महाप्राण लेटर्स ओनली. ओके. एवं sh api. In the similar way, sh sa api. These are Mahaprana. So whenever there is a Sanyukta Akshar, like a Shama, Shama is a word, right? So while pronouncing that Shama, before that there is a short or whatever, Rasvaswara or Ghana. Let's say Ghana. So while pronouncing Ghana Shama Shabda, we have to pronounce as Ghana Shama, not Ghana Shama. Ghana Shama, right? Shatyam word as given as deceit, wickedness. Shatya means wickedness. Okay. Shashasa, Ghanashyama, Nishandah. तत्र च वर्ग द्वितीय विषये विशेषः वर्तते. द्वितीयाक्षरं वर्तते खलु च वर्गस्य छ इति. While pronouncing ch,
I want to ask you a question, Avinashji. Like all these Ghanashyama, Sakhyam, all that by naturally we are sounding it like that, right?
yes,
We don't mean it, but that's how it comes out by the time we pronounce the Mahaprana.
yes, we are means they are what they are explaining. Pāṇinīya has done a pratijna saying that I am just going to introduce, even though buddhi jnatam, kaishchit jnatam, kaishchit ajnatam, khalu. Even though we pronounce properly, but we don't know the rules. So this is how he is introducing. Even though you don't remember the rules, but still we are going to make you understand what are.
That's good. That's good to know, that there are rules written down. But I was just telling that naturally it is coming out like that. Yeah.
We are habituated regarding pronunciation. बचपन से हमें ऐसे ही पढ़ाया है. हम घनश्याम ही बोलते, हम घनश्याम.
Ghanashyam only, yeah.
Similarly, sabhya va bhavet, adhyah va bhavet, jighrahi va bhavet, anything. It comes naturally. Regarding cha varga, there is a special rule. Asanyogādirapi chakarah. So basically, whenever there is you find only cha, there is no sanyoga. Actually, there is no chaya, vriksha chaya. There is no sanyoga. Without sanyoga also, in all other cases, there used to be sanyoga, like sakhyam, kha plus ya, there is a sanyoga, sanyuktakshara, tha plus ya, ha plus ya, gha plus ra, dha plus ya, bha plus ya. There was a sanyoga, sanyuktakshara. But regarding this case, regarding cha letter, even though there is no sanyoga, okay, cha plus a, that is not sanyoga. Okay. Without sanyoga also, while pronouncing that word, you have to bring chakara in between. You have to get the help of cha. So, vriksha chaya ऐसा ना बोलते हुए वृक्ष छाया ऐसा बोले, तो उसके लिए रूल्स है. हमने जब संधि प्रकरण पढ़ा था, संधि प्रकरण में हमने हल संधि के अंतिम कुछ सूत्र थे तुक आगम करने वाले. छे च पदान्ता द्वा इति, छे च इति सूत्रमासीत्, तेन तुगागमः वृक्षच्छाया. तुक आगमक takara changes into chakara by shchutvam and it becomes vrikshachaya. So basically vriksha and chaya word is there and it changes into vrikshachaya. We have to pronounce, even though it might be written like this. Like what? Like even though it is written like vrikshachaya, but you have to pronounce as वृक्षच्छाया, ऐसा प्रोनाउंसिएशन उसका होना चाहिए. Even though it is written vृक्षच्छाया.
According to Chartva Sandhi, ta is taking cha is taking place of the ta, right?
Ta is taking place of cha letter. Okay, this was clear. Then we'll go to, now they were discussing regarding महाप्राण letters. तो हमने पूरे के पूरे महाप्राण, कितने महाप्राण थे? 13. We have finished that. Which were those? Those were kha, cha, tha, tha, pha, second letter of each group. Gha, jha, dha, dha, bha, fourth letter of each group, and sha, sha, sa. तो महाप्राण डन. अभी अल्प प्राण के बारे में क्या विशेष है? वो बोलते हैं अल्प प्राणाम तु स्वेनैव द्वित्वम् उच्यते. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर प्रोनाउंसिंग क च ट त प, while pronouncing, if there is a sanyoga, if there is a sanyuktakshara, okay, that time you have to pronounce that alpa prana. So for example, kritva, here is the sanyoga of ta and va group, ta and va letter. So basically, if you find sanyuktakshara, conjunct consonant, First letter you have to take and you have to focus whether that is Alpa Prana or Mahaprana. If it is Alpa Prana, you have to take same Alpa Prana. For example, Krip, you have to say, then Tva. Krip, Tva. Even though it might be written like this, you have to pronounce Krip, Tva. Krip, Tva, like that. Similarly, Tra, there is a Sanyoga. Ta plus Ra is there. Two Vyanjanas are mixed up. They are conjunct. So first letter is Ta. While pronouncing that, we have to say Patram, Patram, like that. It comes naturally again. Okay.
So if I see that Kritva, right? Like you put double t, right? So the meaning doesn't change. I was thinking it is some other meaning.
No. Meaning even how it becomes double, the logic is given in Halant Sandhi, Hal Sandhi. We had seen that also. You might have forgotten. Even though it is written Patram, that the Takara gets Dvitvam. So whether you write this kind of Patram Shabda or you write this kind of Patra Shabda, both are correct only. But pronunciation will be like Patram, this would be pronunciation. While writing, whether you write or not, it doesn't matter. But while pronouncing, it will be pronounced like this.
Okay. So this came in Sandhi, you said? It came in Sandhi?
द्वित्वम कैसे होता है उसके बारे में हम संधि में अभी 2 साल हो गए शायद हमें पढ़े. यस, वी हैड सीन दैट. संधि प्रकरण हमने संज्ञा प्रकरण पढ़ा, संज्ञा के बाद संधि पढ़ा, संधि के बाद हमने कारक
पढ़े,
कारक के बाद समास पढ़ा, समास के बाद प्रत्यय विचार किया,
पढ़े,
बाद ये कर रहे हैं तो लंबा समय गया.
You also did the Lagu Siddhanta, right? Lagu.
सर फिर संधि प्रकरण हो सकता है क्या
रिपीट करेंगे आप?
हाँ सर,
फिर से करेंगे कोई. विद्या, शम्या, कन्या, जप्यम. These words you can understand now. So ma is the first last letter. It is Alpa Prana. Again, while pronouncing that, we have to take the help of same letter. So it would be Shamya. Similarly, Kanya. Na is also Alpa Prana. Alpa Prana. While pronouncing this, we have to take the help of same Alpa Prana. तो अल्प प्राणम तो स्वेन एव द्वित्वम उच्यते. स्वेन मतलब यहाँ जो त दिख रहा है अल्प प्राण है उसका ही उच्चारण आप करेंगे. यहाँ दिखने वाला त है अल्प प्राणीय लेटर है तो उसका ही प्रोनाउंसिएशन आपको करना है. सिमिलरली प इज अल्प प्राण. हियर आल्सो यू हैव टू से you have to take the help of same letter. Basically, whenever you see Sanyuktakshara, first letter, if you see Alpa Prana, you have to take the same Alpa Prana while pronouncing that. So this
but when I'm saying Japyam, right? Am I saying it right? Is that, or do I have to say Japyam like that?
No. It is Alpa Prana letter, so you have to say Japyam. That's it. Kanya. That's it.
So Krutva, okay, Krutva is correct pronunciation. I'm pronouncing it correctly.
Patram, Krutva, Vidya, Shamya, Kanya. जो भी आप प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हो वो सही है.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, without any effort, when we pronounce, we can realize we pronounce like this way.
Yes. Now let's move towards next shloka. Pratah patennara, not nara. Pratah paten nityam, pratas paten nityam urasthit varena
Upamena
upamai
Madhyandine Kanthagateena Chaiva Chakravasampujita Sannimena
Pratah paten nityam urasthitena svarena shardhularutopamena Madhyandine Kanthagateena Chaiva Vasampujita Sannibhena. Same shloka, we had seen the 3 kinds of swara: mandra swara, madhyama swara, and tara swara. And when to pronounce madhyama swara, mandra swara, tara swara, regarding that we had already seen. Here they are repeating with some, with some sound. That's it. pratah in the morning, urasthitena, the sound which is heard in urasthitena, shardula rutopamena is the word. So basically, यथा शार्दूलः भवति, सिंहः भवति अथवा सिंहशावकः भवति, तस्य ध्वनिः कीदृक् भवति, हुङ्कारध्वनिः भवति। तद्वत् प्रातःकाले वर्णानाम् उच्चारणं भवेत् इति। तथैव मध्यन्दिने नाम मध्याह्ने चक्राह्वसङ्कूजितसन्निभेन। नाउ मध्याह्न समय चक्रवाक कूजनम, चक्रवाक is a kind of word and it always come in साहित्य। जब सेपरेशन दिखाना होता है प्रिया और प्रेयसी का, that time they use the example how they get suffered in that sorrow, in that viraha. So they always give the example of chakra, in the sense chakravaka. When they are separated, those both pakshis, they are not able to see each other at night time, and they just do kujanam. So that kind of kujanam, that kind of sound should be made in the madhyana. Okay, how it is, I don't know. Okay, kanthagateena. Then, yes, shloka is done. We'll do anvaya. Pratah kale urasthitena shardula ऋतोपमेन तथा किं कुर्यात् स्वरेण नित्यं पठेत्. This स्वरेण नित्यं पठेत् should be added with this line. Okay. Similarly, मध्यन्दिने कंठगतेन कीदृशं चक्राह्व संकूजित सन्निभेन कंठगतेन. Now that sound when it is in chest, that will sound like a simha. Hunkara will come. And when, that same sound comes towards our kantha, and when it is out, that time it sounds like Chakravaka Pakshi. I don't know. I don't practice Veda mantras, so how to pronounce, I don't know. So regarding this, you have to visit some, Veda Pandita, one who does a Parayanam, one who do Yajna Yaga Kriya. They might be knowing this. I am not Pramanik teacher for this. Okay, regarding this sound, how to pronounce Veda mantra. So let me be honest, I don't know Veda chanting. That's how you have to visit someone. Here, Swara.
What do you mean by Vedic chanting? Because you do chant, right? You do know a lot of the.
I do, but how Chardula Swara, Chakravaka Swara, I don't know that kind of swaras.
So in the morning you have to sound in a different way. In the afternoon you have to say, sound it in a different way, like that. Is that what you're saying?
Commentary says Pratah Savane, in Pratah Samane Nityam Urasthitanam. Basically what they mean in morning you should not pronounce the mantras in loud. That should be mantra. That swara should be mantra. And how it should sound like a hunkar. गर्जना अलग होती है और हुंकार अलग होता है ना. सो यथा शार्दूल नाम सिंह शावकः हुंकारं वदति, तद्वत् वर्णानाम् उच्चारणं भवेत्, तद्वत् स्वरः भवेत्. सो वो मंत्र स्वर.
I think whenever the Agnihotriya is going to learn the yagya, how to perform yagya and everything, at that time maybe they learn, right?
They might,
the Ved mantras.
They might be very clear about that.
Is more towards to be karma kind, right?
Why I am saying this, because I didn't this Pāṇinīya Shikṣa I have studied by my own, and I didn't take the help of any directly I didn't learn from any particular guru. Some portion, whatever was important for my UGC NET set exam, I have prepared that part from some gurus, but not all the shlokas, because these shlokas are not asked in exams. तो जितना हमें एग्जाम्स के लिए तैयारी करनी होती थी उतना ही हम फोकस करते थे, बाकी इस पे हम फोकस नहीं कर पाए. लेटर ऑन आई हैव टू आस्क समवन, आई विल डेफिनेटली आस्क, and then again I will come back to this shloka, I will explain. Right now I am not. But what is the idea behind this, that I can explain. The idea is, while pronouncing mantra in pratah kala, that time that sound, that swara should be mandra swara. In madhyana kala it should be madhyama swara, and in evening time it should be tara saptakam, the tara swara. That is the idea. So that same idea commentary writes like swara saptakam tridha saptakam bhavati.
So this the sur is directly coming from the what kind of studies?
What kind of
study structure, like a Veda or Karma Kanda? Who is the authorized to give this answer?
How to pronounce the sounds, etc. You are asking?
Yes.
Basically, the Shikṣa Grantha only tells about how to pronounce the varnas or swaras. Shikṣa Granthas are pramanik. Vedangas are pramanas. Vedanga, even in Vedanga, Shikṣa Grantha are basically made for to pronunciation of words, how to pronounce all kinds of letters. तो स्वर हो चाहे व्यंजन हो, उनके लिए शिक्षा ग्रंथ ही प्रमाण है. तो बेसिकली हियर इट इज एक्सप्लेन स्वर सप्तकम त्रिधा भवति कीदृशं मंद्रम मध्यम तार इति. सवनेषु नाम समनेषु मीन्स यज्ञेषु तेषां विभागः इत्याह. तेषां विभागः कथं भवेत् भवति प्रातः सवने प्रातः काले. अत्र सवन इत्यस्य अर्थः यज्ञ इत्यपि कर्तुं शक्यते, समय इत्यस्य सवन इत्यस्य अर्थः समयः इत्यपि कर्तुं शक्यते. प्रातः सवने नित्यम् उरस्थितेन शार्दूल ऋतोपमेन हुंकार सदृशेन स्वरेण पठेत्. बेसिकली मंद्रम पठेत् इति अर्थः. अयं मंद्रः स्वरः इति अर्थः. मध्यम दिने अथवा मध्याह्न समये अथवा सवने चक्रवाक कूजन सदृशेन कंठगतेन एव स्वरेण वदेत्. मध्याह्ने नाम किं मध्यस्वरेण तत्र वर्ण उच्चारणं भवेत् इत्यर्थः. ये हो गया मंद्र, हो गया प्रातः सवन के लिए. मध्य हो जाएगा.
Maybe whoever learned the Shastriya Sangeet, they
also know. It comes like in Gandharva Veda, in the sense Sangeeta Shastram, or even it is explained in Bharata.
I think so.
नाट्य शास्त्र में भी ये प्रकरण आता है. Yes, this one we shall do. तारं तु विद्यात् सवनं तृतीयं शिरोगतं तच्च सदा प्रयोज्यं मयूरहंसान्यमृतस्वराणां शिरस्थितेन. Now regarding pratah kal, madhyana kal was discussed. Regarding tritiya swara tara saptakam, that is discussing here. Tritiyam savanam, in afternoon, mayurahumsani हंस अन्यभृत स्वराणां तुल्येन शिरस्थितेन नादेन तारसप्तकेन तत्र किं भवेत् वर्णानाम् उच्चारणं भवेत्. तच्च सदा शिरोगतं प्रयोज्यं तारं तु विद्यात्. बेसिकली evening time we are going to use तारसप्तकं, तारस्वर. तृतीयं सवनं तारं विद्यात् तच्च सदा शिरोगतं मयूर हंस कोकिलानां स्वर सदृशेन शिरस्